and you're showered in love and chocolate, and that is the wrong color. That's the wrong color. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I know my Christmas tree is up in the background still. I'll get it taken out at some point. It's still winter, just as long as it's winter, we're good. Okay, so today I am doing a Valentine's Day look with the, that word? Douce? Duce? Doce? Ducci? Whatever. Palette by Juvia's Place. And I am creating a fun Valentine's Day themed makeup look with this. I know everyone and their mother is probably going to have a Valentine's Day look. There it is. And I wasn't actually gonna do one, but then I was like, you know what, it's pink and silver and so I was like, okay, I guess I will. I am also using this pink eyeliner by someone, qibest, and I got this off of Amazon. It has a very thick applicator. I need to trim it so that line is a lot thinner, but whatever, it worked for, you know, what I wanted to do. And then I am using Colourpop in Frog. This has a really pretty, like, pink, blue, iridescent sparkle. I have a hair on my thumbnail. But here, let me show it to you real quick on the back of my hand so you can see. Because it's like pink and silver, but it has like some blue and purple in there. It's really beautiful. So I use this kind of as like a topper to this look, and you can't, it kind of blends right into that silver and the pink, so it kind of, you know, it didn't show up as much as I wanted it to, but that's okay. Other than that, if you guys are interested in this Valentine's Day look, then just keep watching. So now for the blush, my daughter is dropping coins right now, if you can't hear her. So now for the blush, I am going in with the Becca Be a Light in this pink right here. And this is a beautiful color. Alright, so for highlighter, I'm actually going to mix two together. Ignore my daughter. Oh my gosh. Worst video ever. Okay, so for the two I'm going to mix together, I'm mixing this pink and this really sparkly kind of like silver. So I'm going to do the pink first. And I found out that these work best with your finger. So I'm putting on this pink first. What? What's what? This pink is so pretty. It's very soft. It gives you a really nice flush. It could be a blush topper. So that's great. Right now I'm gonna go in with a different finger, probably just this finger, and I'm going in with this Counting Sheep, which is, ooh, my goodness. Let's see what this looks like right on top. It looks... Okay. Okay, Colourpop. Okay, I'm not doing any more because I already look like, I mean, I'm speechless. Okay, let's just get on with the lip, you guys. And that is it for this Valentine's Day look. And I hope you guys have a good one. And you're showered in love and chocolate. And that is the wrong color. That's the wrong color. Just kidding. We're gonna come back with a different color. I'll be right back. I have found a better solution. I am going in with two different Wet n Wild lipsticks. And one of these has the name. One of these does not. So one is Mochalicious and one is this. And I'm going to put the darker one on the outside. And then I'm going to put Mochalicious right in the middle. Okay, so I went ahead and used these two together. It's not as much of a gradient as I was thinking it was going to be because I thought like the Mochalicious was lighter for whatever reason. But it's a soft gradient, and I tried to pull in like this kind of color where when I mixed that pink and the brown together, it kind of created like a berry color. So, I don't know, I kind of like it. Anyways, so that is what I have for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoy your Valentine's Day and you get spoiled rotten. And I will see you guys in my next video. So, happy Valentine's Day! Bye! So now, Erilyn! Shh! Alright, this pink and this really sparkly. But